Hello there and welcome to this short presentation on IT Near You, the IT support and services company near you in the Greater Wellington Region. One of the places we're pretty prevalent is in Porirua, of all places. We have a lot of businesses and home users we support there, a lot of elderly customers as well. So if you have any IT problem, be it with your smart TV, maybe your wireless is giving problems, maybe you've got a brand new phone and you want to transfer it to you transfer your old data to the new phone, we can help you with that. If you've got a new Mac, we can help you with that. We don't discriminate. You can use Windows, you can use Mac. We don't care. We're just going to get you running. If you have a business that has cybersecurity issues or concerns, if you're worried that you're not data compliant, if you have any questions that a consultant could answer, not some mobile geek or some nerd, then by all means contact us. We've got proper consultants that can help you and guide you through your IT business strategy. So if you're in Porirua, if you're in Lower Hutt or Upper Hutt or wherever in the Greater Wellington Region, even in Waikenae, and Paraparaumu, then give us a call. That's IT Near You. We're on 0800 42 0042, and we're ready to help you with your IT.